To transfer your data from old device to Samsung Galaxy A05, first we'll need to download one app on both of the devices. It's called Send Anywhere. So I've pre-downloaded it on my older device. So now open Google Play Store on your Samsung, move to search and then look for the Send Anywhere. Hit the search button. Here's the app. Let's install it. Also, while it's downloading, I should mention that on both of the devices you need internet connection. When it's ready, click on Open, and also open this app on our other device. Then it will ask you for a few permissions. Allow everything, otherwise it won't work. Okay, so we have everything ready. We can then select the files that we want to move on our previous device. So let's go with these two photos. And you can also send photos, videos, audio clips, apps, and contacts and files. So go through these categories and send whatever you like. Then we can click on the Receive tab on our Samsung, and when we're ready to send, click on the Send button right here. You will see a code, QR code, and share link. You can use these three options to receive those files, but I find the input key the best way. So we need to enter this code from our old phone right here in this text pool. And hit receive. Then after a few seconds, or depending on the file size, you should be able to see those files. But there's ads, as always. We can click on it. As you can see, there's two photos that I sent right here.